Welcome to this demonstration of Vasion's Output Automation Console. This interface allows you to get a quick view of the traffic that's passing through your output automation services, as well as taking a quick corrective action when there are issues that might occur in your environment. When you first arrive at the page via the output side rail option, you're going to have the tree structure that you're used to seeing from your Vasion print interface, where you can see the tree structure, the locations that you have, and the printers inside them. And on this page, you're able to select the any combination of folders or printers that you happen to care about for what you're looking for. And based on that selection, you're only going to see the information relevant to your selection. There's two different views. There's the printer view as well as the print jobs. And starting with the printer view, you're able to see the list of the printers that you have selected, as well as the information about the printer, like where it's located in your tree structure, its IP address, its model. And in addition to that, if you want to take a little zoom in on what's happening to a printer, you can click on a singular device, and then you get the SNMP information that we are pulling from the printer directly. And in this case, we can see that this printer is in a warning state. Maybe there's something that we need to check out on it. And if there's any issues that we're seeing as a result of this warning, we can also take some corrective action. There's two different things we can do. The first is to pause the queue. So any jobs that are sent through an output service to this printer are going to be paused as long as we have this queue paused. So that way, if you have a technician that's working on the device, then we're not trying to print out anything on it while it's being worked on. In addition to pausing the queue, what we can also do is redirect any jobs sent to it to a different printer. So similar scenario, if there's an issue, then we want to keep the flow of print jobs happening, then we could just redirect it to that backup printer, and from there, any jobs are going to be sent to that redundant device. So the second tab is the print job view, and this gives you a near real-time view of the print jobs as they're flowing through your output automation services. And I'll just go ahead and kick off a print job so we can see that pop in here with the new status. And so as the print job is processed, it's going to move into printing and then to completed. And then along those lines too, if we run into a problem, then initially it's going to retry and then eventually to show a failure. If there was a failure, there's some actions that we can take to get that job printed. The first would be to just go ahead and retry it. This is going to try to print the print job to the same printer that it was initially sent to, and it would just go ahead and do it like that. And the alternative, so maybe there's an issue with this printer, so we don't want to send it to the same one. What we could do is redirect it to a different printer, and then same idea. It's going to go to redirecting, switch over, and eventually complete as well. So with this, we should be able to take that view or the overview of what's happening within the environment without having to remote into specific machines, and not only see what's happening, but also correct those mistakes those issues as they come up. So if this seems like it'd be something that'd be helpful for you, then feel free to reach out to us or go to our website to request a demo, and we'd love to speak to you more.